Jennifer with Gardening with Dogs. I am in my front yard today with an old fall sign that needs to come down. And I'm going to redo the front of the house, in front of the window here. I got some new plants that I got today from Green Acres Nursery, which I will share with you. And then we'll need to work on the other part of the yard, but we'll do that another time because I don't have plants for all that. But I'm super excited to get this done. And I'm going to show you, I have a hydrangea here, which I cannot believe. I've had it probably, I'd say 5 years, and the thing is surviving. Let me turn you around and show you the hydrangea. Okay, this is the space we're going to plant up, and this is the hydrangea. It's a Let's Dance Rave hydrangea from Proven Winners. It grows in zones 5 through 9. It blooms flowers on old wood. And this, guys, it's supposed to get like morning sun, and then at the hottest time of the day, it's supposed to be shaded, but this gets full sun all day. Right now it is almost 6 o'clock at night, so the sun has finally gone down and it's overcast, so I thought it'd be a perfect time to get out here. But it's surviving. So if you live in a hot climate and full sun, as long as you give it water, and then of course you want to, you know, give it hydrangea food, you know, acidic food and acidic soil, I think it might do okay. Just got to watch it. The first year is a little bit rough because the leaves and stuff can get crusty. See the little burnt areas, so just watch for it. But this gets we have the lines behind it, so this gets plenty of water. So yeah, it's a great hydrangea, and I'm really happy that it is surviving. It's my first hydrangea, and I love it, and I love it so much that I got another one for my front yard, a different kind, but I'll show you guys that when I start planting that one. Okay, just to give you an idea, you see to the right, that is my lavender. It was supposed to grow, I think, like 3 by 5 maybe, and this thing is massive. It is so big, it smells so good. It has to be cut back, like really has to be cut back, and I was gonna do it, but it's so full of bees. I mean, look at all the bees on it. I mean, they're all over the place, so I will do that maybe this weekend. My husband usually does it, but he butchers it, so I will give that a trim. So we're gonna kind of ignore that, but that is a wild, I've never seen a lavender get that big. It's insane. It's like everywhere. This is the biggest plant ever. My husband hates it, but I think it's pretty cool. So anyway, let me show you the plants that I got. I'm sorry if you're a little crooked. My tripod is a disaster. It's new and it doesn't hold up straight where you put the phone in. But anyway, so what I'm gonna put in here is, you guys already familiar, this is the Salvia Mystic Spires Blue. This is gonna get, you've seen it, I'll put a picture up if you haven't, but it gets big plumes on it of purple flowers, and I thought that would mimic the lavender, kind of make it all kind of a little bit matchy, but we're not gonna plant it matchy. I'm gonna kind of, I'll show you, kind of zigzag it a little bit. But so I got these. This takes full sun. I don't know the zones actually, and it doesn't have a tag on it. I just know this plant, it just blooms all year round for me. It doesn't ever die back. It is a perennial. It is fabulous. If you live in the West in a hot zone, I highly recommend this plant. I love it. So I got 2 of these. In the very front, I'm going to put the Supertunia Vista Bubblegum. So I want, which I brought 4 out here, I think 4 or 5, and I think I need more. I didn't realize how big this space was. So I want to put this out here to kind of go with a little bit of the pink from the hydrangea, and you know, pink and purple. So it's gonna be so cute. I love this flower. So yes, so this is gonna go in the very front, and then to add a little bit of flow, I like grasses, but my husband hates grasses. So I got guara. Let's see, what's this one? This is a guara Steffi, dark rose. It takes it's full sun. It's 20 inches to 20 inches. It's zones 5 through 9. moisture low. It's a perennial, produces airy masses of flowers. I'll put a picture up for you guys. It's a versatile plant, works well in perennial gardens, rock gardens, borders, containers, excellent cut flower, heat and drought tolerant. I've had this in my garden before, and it grows, sometimes if it's happy, it'll grow really big. So I'm gonna try to maintain it. And the butterflies really like it. I don't recall seeing bees on it, but I don't remember. But I do know the butterflies like it, and it's really pretty. So it's like this, and then these here, these little plumes will start going up with little flowers. And these are the pink flowers. They also have them in white, but I got pink because it's pink. So those are the only flowers. So I'm not going to go all crazy up front here, but I wanted to just kind of make it simple. I want it to fill up. This space will fill up, but not look overdone. And so all I have to do is pull out a few weeds, and then I got some soil. I got raised bed soil. I forgot, I wasn't thinking, because that's what I normally always buy, because everything is raised bed for me, but you can use garden soil. And so let me go do that, and then we'll start planting. I'm so excited for this. I've been wanting to redo the front for a long time. And I'll show you guys the other part of the front yard after we do this. And then I'll show you what we can work on. And then if you have suggestions, you can let me know what you think. But anyway, let me start working before it gets too late. I think I'm going to shift the the Salvia a little over here, and then shift this one a little over here. I think that's better. Maybe I'll shift the one over there on the right a little bit in more, but I think that's where I'm going to plant them. So let's get planting. all planted now. All my husband has to do is put holes in the irrigation so it can get to my plants, but I think this looks better. So hopefully the petunias will fill in this space and it'll be just like a river of pink. And hopefully the hydrangea keeps doing well. Look at the little buds on it. So excited. And then the Mystic Spires, those are back here, and those should not, probably next year it'll fill in this space. Like they'll be almost touching, I'm guessing. So yeah, I think that it looks so much better than what it was. So I'm very happy with that. If you notice, my soil up front here is all sand. It's hard because when you're digging, everything, can you hear my dogs in the backyard? Oh my gosh. Okay, quiet. I had to redo this like 3 times. But anyway, my soil's sand, so when you're digging, everything just keeps coming right back into the hole. So annoying, but things do so well up here. So yeah, and then this weekend we will trim this back, the beast. But there's bees on it, so I can't do anything now. I'll have to do that early in the morning. So there's that, and then there's the boys in the window. Silly boys. And then over here, guys, this, oh, let me move this. This is what we are going to do together. I have ideas, but I don't realize the space is super, super, super big. So I want to put, I think, some Mystic Spireas. I was going to do one here and one over here. And in the back here, what's growing, not all these weeds, I promise they'll be pulled before we do this. That right there, if you can see, hang on, I watered over here. This is a hardy plate dinner, I'm sorry, I think I call it a hardy hibiscus, but it's a dinner plate hibiscus, and look at, I'm so excited. So it's getting all the new growth, and then this gets big. This probably grows 5 to 6 feet tall. And so I had another hydrangea here, or a hibiscus there, and I got rid of it. We cleaned this whole area out, if you've seen what it looked like before. And then these are Gabera daisies. I don't know how these things survive, but they've been in here for probably like 5 or 6 years, if not longer. So I have 2 of those, and I just leave them there. And then lots of weeds. This is a butterfly bush, and this is a weed that I cannot get out. I think the only way I'm going to be able to get it out is to dig up the butterfly bush. So I just keep cutting that back, and it grows fast. I think it's sedgeweed. And see, that's what I was telling you guys with the pink. That's from PG&E. So I don't know if they're going to dig in here. My husband doesn't want me doing anything in this garden until him, because I was going to do the bubblegum all the way across, and I was going to have my hibiscus, which is pink, put the Mystic Spires there, and Mystic Spires maybe over here somewhere. And then here, guys, I bought Proven Winners Pinnacle, I think it's Little Lime or Lime Prime hydrangea. I'm so excited. I bought that already. So that's going to go in this corner. And I think it should do good because it gets afternoon shade from the roof of the house, shades it. So this is an area we'll be working on soon, I hope. Well, guys, that's it from me. I'm going to sign off. It's short and sweet. This was a lot. I'm like cooking and it's just warm. But anyway, it's Easter, so at the end of this video, I know it's going to be a little short. You know, it's not today for you guys, but I'm going to put a little video at the end of the dogs. They want to say Happy Easter to you. They're all dressed up in their outfits. So anyway, I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you get some sunshine. I hope you get in the yard, and I hope you get to enjoy. So have a good one. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.